Hello, I'm Sander Lueb, gas technical consultant at Kiwa. I'm working in the work package piping and installations. Over here we've got 200 meters of gas pipelines which were used in order to determine whether it's possible to purge natural gas directly with hydrogen. Over here we've got a test rig with different type of materials. These materials are taken out of the gas grid and have been in contact for a long time with the odorant THT. During this test we filled it with hydrogen and we determine whether the quality of hydrogen is affected by the THT. From the research on components outside the building, we now go to the research questions concerning the components inside the building. Over here we've got a pressure regulator. The flow of hydrogen compared to the flow of natural gas is 3 times higher. We tested the behavior of the hydrogen in these pressure regulators. On HyDelta.nl for the results of the described experiments. Here you will find the answers of the other questions involved in this work package as well.